Remove pigmentation and dark spots naturally at home. For this home remedy, we need pineapple pieces, almond powder, and lemon. Add pineapple pieces and almond powder. Squeeze half lemon in it. To mortar and pestle and crush them and mix thoroughly to become paste. Before applying this mixture, wash your face with warm water. Now, apply this mixture directly to pigmentation areas, dark spots, and acne marks. Let it stay for 20 to 30 minutes and rub this mixture on applied areas before cleaning. Finally, clean your face with cold water and pat it dry with a towel. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.